place, how do we access all of our apps? So in addition to what we have here on the home page, you can also take your fingers, swipe up from the bottom, and all of the applications that are currently downloaded to your panel will show up here. One of those applications that is here is ways for you to download more applications, as long as it goes along with your company or your district policies. We're going to look for things in alphabetical order, and we're going to look for something called the Newline App Store. In the Newline App Store, you will find all kinds of other applications that you can then use on your panel. If you are going to be downloading something, AP News or whatever you're downloading, you can just tap Install, and then this will download to your panel. Because it's downloading to my panel and it's installing to my panel, it might take a minute. Please don't navigate away from this page while you are waiting for it to install. Now that it is installed, where do we go? We can find it by swiping up. Again, in alphabetical order, it's right there. Now, what if you've downloaded some applications that you no longer want and you want to get rid of them? How do we make that happen? We are going to head to our settings menu. Tap on settings. On this gray side over here, we're going to navigate to where it says apps. When we tap on apps, all of the applications can be found where it says see all 76 apps. I have a lot of apps. When we're here, we find something that we no longer want. Maybe I no longer want my AP News app. I click on it and I can uninstall right there.